Hi, my name is Dr. Christian Hahn, and today we're going to talk about two specific tips that are critical for every dental assistant. And the reason I mention these is specifically because patients look for this. Meaning, if the patient looks for this, the dentist is going to look for this. First, and very important, gloves. You're going to wear gloves to protect yourself and the patient. Patients watch your hands more than you can ever imagine. So when you wear your gloves and you're grabbing instruments or you're grabbing things out of drawers or you go over to the mouse and you move the mouse with your dirty gloves, patients see that. Dentists see that. That's not a sterile field, and that's a big no-no when it comes to keeping your hands clean. Patients want to see you be meticulous with your gloves. Overdo it. You need to go get something out of a drawer? You go ahead, take your gloves off in front of the patient. Put them on the counter or throw them away. Open that drawer up, grab out what you need, and then go back, put new gloves on. I've had a patient actually thank me for taking my gloves off because I've seen it happen so many times where the gloves were left on, and that is not sanitary. Another very important thing, when you're sitting next to that patient, make sure your hands are visible. Don't grab the chair, don't grab things that people can't see. They're going to assume that your hands are dirty after they went someplace that they can't see. Another really important tip, this is not about gloves, this is about paying attention. Paying attention to the patient, paying attention to the dentist. Don't daydream. A lot of assistants will sit there and just lollygag around, and the dentist gets frustrated. Be one step ahead of the dentist. Communicate with the patient. Try to hand instruments. Try to clean up the mouth. Try to wipe things down. Try to be proactive. Try to think ahead. Always be involved in the procedure. If there's a movie playing on the TV screen, if you have TVs in your office, don't watch the movie. We see it, the dentist, and of course the patient sees it. Your focus needs to be on that patient. To summarize today, gloves, keep them clean, keep them away from things that are not clean. Make sure the patient sees that you have clean gloves on at all times. Secondly, pay attention to the patient, pay attention to the procedure, pay attention to the dentist. Don't lollygag. Don't become a dental assistant that only sits there and suctions the mouth. That is not your job. Your job is to be assisting the procedure, assisting the patient, assisting the dentist. So I hope this helped, and I wish you good luck with your dental assisting needs, and hopefully one day you'll become one of the highest paid dental assistants.